One of the early things that we did was we did a lot of research. We went around the world looking for ideas or strategies that could probably change it for us as Māori or keep us safe. And we ended up, after researching around the world, finding out that actually one of the cultures that best protected women and children was actually our own Māori culture. The values inside it said that the mana and the tapu, or the sanctity of women and children, was equal with the mana and tapu of men and anyone else. So much so, though, that the position or the equality of Māori women traditionally was actually the envy of European women. Western women weren't allowed to vote, were considered to be assets of their husbands, could be treated, could be beaten, could be raped without any consequence. That was absolutely the opposite in Te Ao Māori, in Māori culture. Women were considered to have their own mana, their tapu. In fact, more tapu at times than men, because they had the ability to maintain, protect and grow the tribe through childbirth. So I think that the sanctity and the tapu and the autonomy of women was always protected within Te Ao Māori. And so we're looking at Whānau reclaiming those values and putting the context back in place that will maintain the mana and the integrity of Whānau.